Today, I am reviewing Gawfolk 27-inch QHD 180Hz gaming monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a gaming monitor that blends crisp visuals, smooth motion, and premium design, all without breaking the bank, the Gawfolk 27-inch 2K QHD 180Hz gaming monitor might just surprise you. This monitor is a prime example of how far affordable gaming displays have come, offering serious performance and versatility whether you're gaming, working, or just enjoying your favorite content. Let's start with what matters most, the display quality. The Gawfolk GF600A comes with a 27-inch QHD panel, which means you're getting a resolution of 2560 by 1440 pixels. That's sharper and more detailed than standard Full HD, and it really shows when you're playing modern games, editing photos, or streaming videos. The picture looks beautifully clean and detailed, with plenty of room for multitasking, so you can have your game, your chat, and your browser open side by side without feeling cramped. The panel uses IPS technology, which is known for offering excellent color accuracy and consistency. With 100% sRGB color coverage and 16.7 million colors, everything you see looks vibrant, realistic, and true to life. Whether you're exploring dark, atmospheric game worlds or bright creative apps, the color reproduction remains consistent from every angle. Thanks to the 178-degree wide viewing angle, there's no color shift even if you're viewing from the side, a big plus if you often share your screen or work in a multi-monitor setup. Now let's talk about smoothness, because this is where the Gawfolk really stands out. With a 180 Hz refresh rate, this monitor delivers incredibly fluid motion that feels responsive and snappy. If you're upgrading from a 60 Hz or even 120 Hz screen, you'll instantly notice the difference. Movements look buttery smooth, and games feel more immersive, especially in fast-paced titles like shooters or racing games. The 1 millisecond response time ensures there's virtually no motion blur or ghosting, which means every action feels immediate and precise. For gamers, the addition of AMD FreeSync is another major bonus. It helps eliminate screen tearing and stuttering by syncing your monitor's refresh rate with your GPU's output. That results in a smoother, more stable experience with less lag, exactly what you want in competitive or high-speed gaming sessions. What's also impressive is how versatile this monitor is for different setups. It comes with both HDMI 2.0 and DisplayPort connections, as well as a 3.5mm audio jack. HDMI supports up to 120 Hz, while DisplayPort unlocks the full 180 Hz refresh rate. So if your PC supports it, simply use the included DisplayPort cable and change the settings in your display menu to experience that ultra-smooth 180 Hz performance. Beyond gaming, Gawfolk clearly put effort into making this monitor easy on the eyes. It includes low blue light and flicker-free technology, which help reduce eye strain during long sessions. The low blue light mode filters harmful shortwave blue rays, while the DC dimming system ensures consistent brightness without flicker, perfect if you're working late, editing videos, or binge-watching shows for hours. Design-wise, the monitor looks sleek and modern. It has a frameless, nearly bezel-less design, which not only looks great on a desk but also enhances immersion when gaming. The matte finish helps reduce glare, and the stand provides solid stability while keeping the setup clean and minimal. And if you prefer a wall-mounted or arm-mounted setup, the monitor supports a 75 by 75 mm VESA mount, giving you the flexibility to customize your space. When it comes to overall build and usability, Gawfolk has done a great job balancing quality with affordability. The monitor weighs just around 4.6 kilograms, making it light enough for easy adjustments or mounting, yet it still feels sturdy and well-built. The 3000:1 contrast ratio adds depth to darker scenes, giving your visuals that extra bit of punch, and the 310 nits of brightness keep everything visible even in well-lit rooms. For general use, this monitor is more than capable. Browsing, editing documents, watching Netflix, or doing creative work all look excellent. But it's really when you fire up your favorite game that the Gawfolk 27-inch 180Hz QHD display truly shines. It's fast, vibrant, and incredibly responsive. And when you consider its price point compared to big-name competitors offering similar specs, it feels like you're getting premium performance for mid-range money. To sum it all up, the Gawfolk 27-inch 2K QHD 180Hz gaming monitor offers an exceptional balance of speed, clarity, and style. It's sharp enough for productivity, smooth enough for gaming, and gentle on your eyes for those long, late-night sessions.